everybody. We are at Salon Republic Escondido in San Diego.
Excuse my sexy voice today.
She's got a nice hoarse voice. She's gonna sound great. We're gonna show you all around the new salon. So let's check it out.
Teresa, the salon manager.
Hello. All right, so we're gonna take a look at some of the studios. How many do we have?
51.
51 studios. Let's go check some of them out.
We're gonna stop by and say hi to Kirsty.
Hello. Look at this, beautiful.
So cute in here. We're gonna say hi to Samantha. Hey, Samantha.
Hi, Samantha.
Look how
Hello.
cute her studio is.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Welcome to SR. Are you liking it so far?
I love it. Yeah.
Yes.
Nice couch.
Super fun.
And the couch.
Cute her studio is.
Oh, Carla. Hi. Look at this studio.
Thanks.
Cute. When did you get moved in?
Last week.
Okay, right away. You were on it. Is it
I
finished?
worked-
Is it finished though? No, you got some more work to do?
Almost.
Oh,
A few more finishing touches.
Okay, it looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Say hi, guys.
Roger. Miro, what's going on?
Nothing
Welcome,
much.
guys. Nice place.
Are you guys liking it so far?
Love it.
Yes. It is. Hi, Tish.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. Welcome.
Look how cute
Oh, yeah.
her space is.
Do you have everything in that you want, or are you still decorating?
I'm still decorating.
Got a
I gotta
few more
get
things?
settled in here and see what works, and then I'll figure out what. But
So far, so good.
yeah, I love
Beautiful.
it. I love it.
Hi. We just had to peek in. It looks so cute.
Thank you.
Oh, this wall.
Oh, thank you. Welcome to SR.
Welcome to SR.
Thank you. I love it.
Good, thanks.
All right, guys.
All right, she lost her voice. I better help her out. That's it for Salon Republic Escondido.
We'll see you.
We'll see you next time at the next one. Say goodbye.